Hi everyone, it's Heath from the TechNet marketing team, and I'm here today to quickly show you how to opt into the TechNet consumer promotions. So beginning with the June through August summer air conditioning consumer offer, TechNet members will no longer be automatically receiving your POP kits for these seasonal promotions. In order to get your marketing materials, all members will now need to opt in to confirm their participation in each individual consumer offer. So members who opt in will have the POP kits for these offers now mailed directly to your shop, and badges will appear on the shop profile in the Find a Shop results on technetprofessional.com that will indicate to your customers that your shop participates in these money-saving offers. So we're just going to run through this real quick. It's very, very simple, but you can follow along. First thing you're going to do is log into the TechNet member website. Once you get into the TechNet member website, you're going to go up to the upper right-hand corner and click on your name. A little drop-down will appear, and you will click on My Profile. So once you're on your profile page, you'll see all of your shop information here. This is actually a great opportunity to also verify that all of your shop information is correct and all of your shop characteristics are filled out correctly. In the event that they are not, you can just scroll up, click on Edit, make any changes to your characteristics or the details that are on your page. All of this gets pushed through to your shop profile, so you can do that while you're here as well. But below all of that, you'll see the promotions for the rest of 2024. And what you're going to do is just find the promotions that you would like to participate in, and you'll see there is a little plus icon right underneath each of these. You can click on that, and you are now opted into that promotion. You'll see we actually have all of the promotions for the remainder of the year, so you don't have to just opt into the most recent one, or the one that's coming up next rather, but you can opt into all of them for the entire year if you choose. You'll also notice if there is an offer that you don't want to participate in, you'll see this little bell icon here. Members are going to get reminder emails leading up to these promotions. If you don't want to receive them, for example, say you're not a Synchrony car care merchant and you don't want to get reminders to opt into an offer that you're not going to be participating in, you can click this little bell icon and that will mute the notification. This way you will not receive those emails at 90 and 60 days before the promotion starts. So you just hit yes to that, and you'll see you can confirm. There will be a little line through the bell showing that you will not be getting notifications for the offers that you're opted into. You'll see you have a small green check mark, and that proves that you are part of that promotion. One other way that you can actually do this is via the consumer promotions page or panel here. This will show the current offer on a calendar view, and you can see right here it shows click on the delete icon to opt out. If you had not opted in, you would see a little plus icon just like we did on the other page, and you can click that there to opt into that specific offer. These offers will need to be opted into on an annual basis. So for example, in 2025, just because you've opted into the air conditioning offer, you will not be opted into the 2025 version of that. So great idea to just check in every once in a while, see if there are new offers. We'll be uploading them as the year goes on, and you can just opt into those as needed. If you have any questions about this opt-in process, you can just reach out to your CAM, or you can email us at technet-nation@advanced-auto.com.